ekopim du mienu wato ticket dodo be full house the 100 Ghana cedis na fa ko didi na fa ticket na wato no ya stand ya be raffle na early bird 10,000 Ghana cedis no eno so ya mo akwenya se unsu betumi awini na ese nhyehyɛ no akɔ anim e de ama wo enya no nko a edu anwumre nso a wo akwenya se 10,000 Ghana cedis eno so no obedi e de agu botom ni nyina no star 787 star 787 ne akoye ukuada yi midweek tie nipa mako eduasa 30 chop money promo no ene ya ma obia 100 Ghana cedis obia 100 Ghana cedis na say na ya 3,000 Ghana cedis ene ukwada say chop money star 787 man bank ene boazi asobe pa ntitie fa phone na to ticket si ya anza na 12 abo one ton na 12 bo na akoto a chop money promo no ya ma obi ntene nipa mako eduasa menwa anka meto sesia na nipa 30 die aba yeko school kra no obesi mentwa kra akwa we die metwa no wanya de kwa nipa 30 die obetuma agba awuram na chop money promo no nso na pay wonsaka na ese wo die didi yewia na ese draw na anka sanso yakoye ano fiada anase dwada ekopum fiada ye draw no e de amao elibe 10,000 bedi ne du memenda na yesi memenda beda ne fifiada anajo nti wadi 10,000 fiada anajo no wuramu jackpot ani memenda 700,000 Ghana cedis don't we share many me dem bia betufu say star 787 as dey ye na ano da eyi kakra fa mu ye so ye say kama yes nti ne 700,000 Ghana cedis and so betuma di star 787 as jackpot dem ne bia me say da be bom no wo bom live there na TV so be kwa afi ba ko na maba so mbaji me so na say anu anso anu no nti ne me kanfo e de amam fa phone no na bo star 787 as choose option 1 tie option 1 na what choose uchusi wia ebede wo bekọ bebia atwero eye buy ticket na ese ticket dudo bi abesa uto se ye miensa eye enum eye du na wato but tie futu sem ne ye abrabo no obo no bi tofu aya na ye tie to full house na akonya se obewini 10,000 Ghana cedis and jackpot no aya na wosoro ntene auto full house na de wuram na finso ya raffle na ya draw na nso akonya no beba na finso wadi sika e de agu botom ni nyina no star 787 as auto ticket na se omomo no ana do betu aka na wabo omomo pin na watu aka na nso soro e de okuwa nim brempam uwini a yenso no ye de bebrɛw na wanya sika no enso edu agu botom ni yensa wanya 18 years mfinu watch e de kɔ wo mobile money na ni no wode udi na register momo no akwenya wo se nso no obetu bi na ye se wapesika enso no edi agu botom terms and conditions ewo na essential e da ho broni dia ye ni bibia na se wiase de wo ye bibia ni nipa ye bibia na de nhyehyɛ kakra ato ho nhyehyɛ star 787 asano no open hu a okɔ www.787winners.com osabeka www.787winners.com okɔ nhyehyɛ star 787 asano nyina no enso no ewo ho enchirimu bia no obefre a na wafre numbers yi mese me bo numbers a mese easy numbers de eho asem ka na fre 0559 689 948 0559 689 948 ano course nkwa afre WhatsApp no enso ni 0272 636 448 0272 636 448 na afin star 787 hours fa hujim na onsuno pesika efegu botom na wapesika no menni wo wanum tie fa ye japade sika yenya ye japade nteni se obesi dan anase obesi suku bi arane ensore obesi a ni nyina no fa kodan Ofla Construction and Real Estate Ofla Construction and Real Estate ye esidan no e de amount tie wa be se usi dia ono so e wo ho materials no obeto a Ofla Construction and Real Estate your iron rods cement dudu bi ape onsa ebeka sanso na marine boards a ene ye floors no ye obi plywood and also yakofa area ba enra na metwam Ofla head office abono krum yes ne cement o ma loadi abo be guo na je se nyama no adoso ntududu bi ape no oba Ofla Construction and Real Estate a onsa ebeka se na meka na abo anwea gravels ni nyina so ye obi blocks ya ne dia yes ya no bonus adoso ntuba and also onsa ebeka yo payloader sanse your trucks a edema han nti ne obesa okọ abo bi call site na per track akofa and you call offla and also Ebeka tracks and all now so they are kodi ujuma about general construction send am kind sorry suku hospital yensi efie yensi famawa ni nya offla construction yenso yebesi edema real estate developing ntini wanya ni suade hu usika be du botu ba say go into real estate ohun offla construction e be kire plan no e be kire senate yensi ni say yensi 2 rooms yensi 3 rooms ni nyina no offla construction and real estate and American for Ediama ye chia kwan e wa Akropong-Akuapem I want a head office no enso no ewo obosoma se Akuapem obenyan Koforia se promantema nkuru nso no offla construction yenso no ye wo ho ope chia kwan a ofre 0552 957 198 0552 957 198 and I said 0594 635 656 0594 635 656 0502 808 992 0502 808 992 and I face 0279 012 954 0279 012 954. Social media, you will and also Offla Construction and Real Estate. And I say Offla Construction Limited, Offla Construction Limited, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. www.offlaconstructionlimited.com and also kwa ubenya na face no oni edi insa so Offla Construction. I say your property, our priority. So I'm not a problem so you good evening. And also no yetumi ere eba ye twa enwa ba ye pa nsema wodo aka ni nyina nso no ebeto am so ha Okoman 97.1 Okoman Kasa ana no pay so no ye de abreu elvia
asempa bia ba upesika akostati ejuma bi ohia bosia atre wodwadie mu woye government ana private worker ohia sika de ate wo hot bi so woye busumi ejuma ohia scan tempa bi so any na quick credit be ma obosiam wachia ne kakra eye collateral free loan na susu savings account opening deposit BRNim de hia ne se woye Ghana ni na wo Ghana card se wanye adwuma afi we mu de kodia na wo na wo peo excuse BRNim for quick credit it was 0302 200 390 and 0596 920-833. Number for Biara Frewa and quick credit. Shannon so say quick credit and malone ewo internet so. Inti Shanna Obiara and Dadao. Bank of Ghana am momu jadi hu kwan na kai say in share da ho.
Quick credit. Lending made simple.
Say you can say Dominion herbal powder ema immune system and then kwabo wo nipadua mu ne yeden na ne senti wo tadi yare sunkunimu a ehu adanse bi ni o
adon dey fine pa manum bi tina me di hu adanse no enya yesi me say
Dominion herbal powder de ninia enya amanfo adanse enti na be kanfo ne aye wo me nipadua mu no eburo madwen ene mente ase so emma Dominion herbal powder empa wo hu da biara da
asem no anada ho no Dominion herbal powder enwanso anya wonsu ohie wo tea cup mu na da treketo ase biagumu wo twa nseti yanum wawie Angels Dominion Herbal Center won kokko ene de aba apemfo aba tan mo manufo ene kwada woni fiedum ye ne de won ka ho dodo afre 054 315 8195
FDA agi edwadie nkratoɔ yi atum
Meni nchiminua menu aduane wo fie ne de nti sɛ nea mepɛ no minnim kwan a mefa so a me fiefo ani bɛgye meduane no
Menu apɛn nyina nim sɛdeɛ na papa pɛ aduane no asene ma me de mpo
na afei aba ne sɛ ne nso me amani ɛsɛ sɛ me yɛ hu biribi ansa na me ho atwam
fa weiye aduane free na ɛkɔ na famasi da brɛ me akyiri
Quite a desi from Suku.
Hello. I didn't know bedru ha. Saboba ne aduane na asa ma obiara mbɔ me sobo.
Ofie natural spices adom me. We hear bisisia de bia no ameduane wo me fie hada. Na me de bi nso akogu me so to mu ato.
Ofie natural spices powder. Edelno bededi.
Atufo mfre 0552 617 139 0546 761 939 0242 299 0691.
Offla Construction Limited Company for sure. Kaiser Offla Construction Limited Company in Penny for say. And yes, cement in the blossom kun waton. Ubomadia do any trauma share. Gubenya a building equipment. Some person to call site a woodwork. Concrete product. And almost supply a war and near and for Bibi Biara Wupia or building site war. Kaiser almost so they are into real estate development and so it would dino person who in Tempa. Offer Offla Construction Limited Company. Wobejo so for any job Busmasi Aquapem, a monochrome Aquapem, Koforidia, Asunjay Dancing, was Sabeka Offla Construction Limited Company war from I was 055 295 7198 0594 635656 050 280 8992 and a 027 90 954. Book on social media handles in a Offla Construction Limited Company. Once I erekomo, Kaisa mo free delivery. Baby, I will be and phone. You never quite down tempera. Say Offla dia, and there you are not building. Kayo, say Offla Construction Limited Company. Your property, our priority.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio.
Yo, me just go back into my power. Ubo my captain not. Na me sure be to my power ubo. Na me sure you don't know when you in some can you never be there higher.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Station with your man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yeah, for my boss, when you do my part, or a boy or mine Ghana, any of your mind, yesterday, Akropong Kasa, my farm, the Mama for any of you or mine Ghana.
Radio 97.1. Station with your man Kenya, Okoman Radio.
Arapeli dodo adaroma o se akwankwa mini ko pepe bia bedi e de be de e na kwam da ko o kan yumi.
I'm kind
Lidodu.
It was written by Nana Joy Dako, sung by Lidodu.
Okay, we are current. Kwame uni nyumi. Oh, now we are
What's it about me?
Lidodu okita very silky golden voice.
Is he also?
Oh, sir. What you rasta no? Wow. Yeah, then I Juma other areas. Mogo near the other. We brought him all the way from Germany, and he came to display a little Rasta man shining space. You see what you rasta no? You also. Okay, that's fine. And Nana George Dako and Sarbre no kwame bitro no biato. Bitro no biato near the idea and is a collabo.
Yeah.
Akwankwa. I think I could Brofuni Adina, but some of the songs were for Nana George Dako. If you also any person, I'm so way directly for George Dako. Nunu Boma or ne Bachem for. So ka Bachem for kita di kita nickname bi Bachem for kita what's the name of this guy Meka chiro o kita nikibi no so yeah different Bachem for no so otojo po no ni lududu omo nene se en kwame omo bo high life pa
boy ba ko sa pick up Akropong one guy bi ono so de nyum bi chen o ya de pick up na yura George Dako metie in interview bi o se o chance so obonyo no na ofo mpe se na ofo mpe kra
se kwame enintia se be adwum to any radio adwuma ye kra se be fa na se ye se be gentle brand as akwasiampa brand na be se be o because it's true un say kan no o ye nyum ne sa concept on fan say onye serious but then the people are making good fortunes out of it. Peshata wale bijina wenima ska kwa mbe bosso no. Na amajide bijina wenima lumba kwame ene bebre so ye no for the show business. No say show.
Amina mini
na onam na emai na ema kwadwo na ne no no dina
ya waka bra me use school na me coach na so for vinjena me say me ko radio school me anti ba kon hwe me din o say wo de you say about any hujuma go na offer aku so fudi ba ku ready obi ato nneema akotena akire ha me na mini o kwa me da ko so obi ani dada America o boro eno asofudi so bible ya cho dada Paul se onim no Judas itimu den o kan ho asem ugwa ya twa bro de ama o kwa me da ko be yi ni Kami chiremia. Ase mo hono mo friend say kwame. Maton kan radio no show. Say ko yi. Say me ka o mo wani na.
Osa kwa jujuma kwa.
Osa kwa jujuma kwa. Na mo asoro dem mo ba kwame. Obi ewu ni ese obi ansie no ese wanko amobra. Tibesin na ko sie no mai. Me dwama nu ma kire wo. Mo so.
Azabo. And for Kwaisibia Hotel, Semi Cows. I think say before Kwaisibia Babano, Quarase ne Adam Shadows. I was on the same.
I know the Agra. Oh no,
Dreams FC. On SEO, Dreams FC.
I know, as you see, Dreams FC CEO.
And obey team manager Matt Black Stars.
Yeah.
Now Dreams no leg in Edahi.
Dreams said that 10th on the league table.
Dreams
FC, yes.
And when I did kind.
Diana Stars.
Diana Stars. Na Ajima Bedu
team.
And when I was second.
Second and so no. And Accra Lions.
Lions. Third year wine.
Third year became United.
Fourth year wine.
Fourth year had to fuck.
And a fifth.
Santi Kotoko.
And teams in Num CEOs not more bombardier or more place well. Before a team places well, it means organization structure, technical, maybe a kuye, Sankrofone numero. Yanyo bia sekets, ni team on no war, dreams are or that 10th. A manager and okay, the whole Ghana National Black Stars, no, a team manager.
Chairman, finance minister of Ghana, you know.
You're a collaborator.
Need any president.
Nabusi Elino. The cousin.
The cousin. You know, also. One of the I'll throw bang in nano. I know you are
yeah.
So
how call Ben?
You know, say even the presidency. No, at my point, and I said president, I appointed the cousin, say finance minister. No, Ket. I know a Ghana Football Association, I appointed the club CEO, say team manager.
But Kwame, Ghana for the and maybe 2 and then you
reason is you two for cry and fat. None of my penny be a community. Papa ka name be singing now one something fe or see. Me am dear community man. Won't hear me too. Maybe be a monka be you. Be citizens, don't be spectators. Yeah, that's what we had here too. Set cats. Yet see one I say President Dema GFA. Na wakofa papa isa omeye team manager. Abrani team no krampo crawling ebre. Na ye to spectators. Ni kan wasem na din. Kwame I don't think we are that.
Yeah, no go. Abrante back no
Kwasi
Vivi Asante no. So Henry Asante Chum.
A former PRO at the Dreams. Yes, and
Dreams in the Obo Dreams in the Great for Blaster.
Oh, there's with the exception of Babara Man, our war.
Abrante Ishaku.
I'm saying Ishaku can squad the by Ishaku. Even Babara Man can squad the way on.
But previous someone place here.
Yes, we're afraid Babara Man. We're afraid.
Babara is here no wasa.
And yes, we're pra.
And today the boy can you
that's what I'm saying.
And I think when you could be shame manager allowance.
Also World Cup or koi, but that's what I'm saying.
World Cup or Bobby.
Barbara man call World Cup or boy. That's what I'm saying is a sanity or baby.
Kwame, and is it the norm? Is it the right thing?
And yet the right thing, but I norm. Yes, Yama. Sebi boni Ghana is ama boni bi aye no enye boni bi aye abe
never be abe
part of us it's you know
say the o meton mo na bobo konko ne toni ade no so
sana ko yen it's so a Black Star team manager or a Black Star and also FA president Ghana ono no reach whom to call into the Black Stars or FA president me na me Black Star team manager asimesi fano the president wouldn't talk. Okokasa abandoning who they will write to FIFA. Abeka the government is interfering. FIFA abeka will interfere. Ebema sanctions. Football and the politics. Government in person the Ghanaians the best already ano. Enti anabeto abeti and football na some kramenka cause na Ghana for pay. Na bone no guzo dem. So to me, Opobia is Black Star team manager. Ubia am manage the Black Stars and their players are. It shouldn't be Shadow. Menkasa Shadow any that capabilities, you know. Or that capabilities, you know. Yes, he has been running Dreams FC for the past let me say almost 4 years. Shadow running Black Star. But I was thinking, say, you be involved the former players nibi. So who are the lights of Steven up here? What are the lives of Samuel Akuffo? What are the lives of Anthony Yeboah? What are the lives of Tony Baffuor? The lives of Augustine Ahemfo? These are former players and one Bobon. They know how to manage players. So when you involve these former players in Libya, I know one work Kasa. These players will listen. The lives of Stand Up here or a Black Star team manager, no Kasa. They will listen. The lives of Tony Yeboah, Anthony Baffuor, the lives of Samuel Akuffo. When they are speaking, Kasa players, they will listen. But Okoman mini shadow. Yes, or a football person.
Plan the network. No, what are you telling me?
I mean, you're a fine gentleman. I've met him on several times. He didn't come a fine gentleman.
I can't
last year money.
So then I come to extension.
But election, we come Congress. So Congress need to say one extend into 3 terms. About 4 years, 3.
So I'm gonna have 4 years.
4 years.
And to go to where we.
And
can the second term 8 years ni. And now person yana and come extension. Na kwa surgery now.
Yes, second term no ba koi. First term no be end this year. Now wako for re-election so person could be ma. Oko no winning ya. Wako ne second olusu another person will come in. But another person say yema FA yenya 3 terms instead of.
President just be in fear any.
Because 4 years.
But say
because normalization be take over.
Yes,
let me say
5, 6,
7 years in money.
Okay.
Into no penal 3 terms as 4 years now 12 years. If you want 7 now. But nante chidin woni ono no kono woni term 4 na okwa no wini adu baby kan obi an contest nante chibiem. Ebe do baby but this time around no get no sick of I mean kind of democracy and what best of contest but the mafia in it no kura no erema okwa ma umma you see him say the club CEO for Asante Kotoko na Nana Amponza people have been prison na Nana Amponza and as they've already said say on na go to my Black Stars ejuma no but okoje kotoko ejuma why are they seeking sponsorship for Asante Kotoko on no club CEO of Ghana ojesika sing obia on go jesika sing the FA president Nane Ambonza. But Nane Ambonza contesting Keto Kreku this time around will be very difficult for Nane Ambonza to win. Even the first time na nipa dodo wana enche da enim no na woboni this time come ombe wini FA presidency no. Nane Ambonza with the first round of elections and where you know him when you have 25 votes and Gentleman qualifying to the second round of election. The only person Obama Keto Kreku tough time elections Palmer. Who for the Sekweku Palmer. And now Palmer Mafia no so na adults. Yeah, my own. The last election will disqualify Palmer or the court and go see. That's why even Palmer any players or manager they don't invite into the Black Stars. Now Binyasika na just on family rane and on family contest no. So football mafia. Mafia Ugoro boys it's when you're part of those cabal na untumi ma emejina. I'm saying say Keto Kreku will win the next FA elections. Will become the FA president. Obe reigning for 12 years. And so the next person will come. Unim tricks a womb when it comes to football elections. Unim near womb. And that's what he's trying to do. Or the name Crawford the FA even the executive council of the FA Nankasa no can people no person are appointed. I know appointed home. I don't want to so. The likes of Randy Abbey, the likes of Odro Nyakonomo, na no Odro Safumu nyina Nkrofo where the FA and FA executive council also. So these things will continue to go on in our national teams. Karim Zito under 17 head coach. Karim Zito under 20 head coach. Under 20 head coach. Ono and Dreams FC technical director. Dreams FC technical director. Keto Kreku first appointment of the Black Stars was CK Akonos. Atana CK a former Dreams FC player. It's normal. Jamo yawa na kwenye puyo baby. I don't think so about go for strangers the one I Juma. Yo baby. You try to bring people unim now but say we be to my boy where Juma and internet baby even in the constitution doesn't support any nepotism in the constitution. But yamana be normal. Normal. It's in a ubi yakurana untumi yeden enka. The constitution speaks against nepotism. And yam family and kura nye jumani yamana be normal. No ubi aba obey even at the highest level. Ubi John Dramani ma doing the government. Nyama so people eka want some just current government. Also the finance minister, the roads and highways, works and housing, oko a Greek ministry, oko other government institutions people are part of president and Akuffo are there. And even the football people here normal. Normal head coach of Black Stars. Yes, Asaki Bibre, Amanako Manaba. But I don't know how appointed the Black Stars head coach. I know better say go far away. All the committee bill, but what the FA president will say no, and no be jina because or quota or share players are referring to the national team. FA president Amayaya where say we a coach are own to mean free players without the inclusion and without the influence of the FA president. Or no FA president and no kind. So we are Black Star coach now free players. I also team be no more players are free. Free men. You know, normal, but all that I was saying is that your national teams, you're empire with a young squad that you call World Cup. Not Ghana, they cry the youngest squad in the World Cup. So I think get to me manage players here. The next AFCON also next year, no. You bet me win now World Cup.
Kwame, we see Oka sounds idea. When you come back, say be a football people. Oka humbi, also Oka football people no humbi. You see, no crow they say. If you keep doing the same thing over and over and over, you get no different results. The same results now.
Yes, and then you from 2006, I bet many.
What I say is, your microphone say, what I say was something.
Oh, no way.
And Ghana goalkeepers na one say
Atizigi, Nuruddin, Manaf, Anna, Jojo Walakot.
Nuruddin, Manaf, no way.
Manaf, open, I think Norway or Austria, or one of these countries.
Okay. And by control they say
Atizigi Jojo Walakot England Charlton.
Okay. And Atizigi way
St. Gallen Belgium. St. Gallen I think Belgium also.
And trainer na way
or Norway. So if you know when Obabenya and you confirm
to nya obeda no when train no.
Oh, say you were free players in the back camper or definitely about camping, 1 week I will be do a camp no or do on BFM.
Ti we are no be answer kone
be a club. Yeah.
Okay. Now also call Norway likely.
Like in so better Ghana and our monitor yen local goalkeepers no.
And one in train local goalkeepers me do sa level no na or no to us. Other na yen be ahead of goalkeepers trainers. No goalkeepers trainers be a tension as here. Send your working almost so a camp kodano Ghana my soccer one anti I mean is it worth it?
The solution to solve this problem and it's a national academy. National academy.
Semi say the faso be nizu bi.
So no toilet sabi. So toilet in where you where's in toilet
and that's what we are reducing to. One of the safest sons of Ghana, one of the safest provinces. And then we reduce him to that, a national asset, and we are proud to say it. So, we don't feel bad and shame.
Chairman, that's what I'm saying. Is a national academy. And you can recruit these people at the one course. I mean, you want training. But you need a national academy, a whole Ghana. You need a national academy.
This guy was a sprinter. So and to Oko Eastern region, there are records. Say you wasting a lot of talent. And yet,
Chairman, baby, infani America kura you be to any. You need baby to America or Ghana. You need a whole Ghana. You need baby to America. You need baby to America. But that's not
music school we need if we don't plan your team you ba dey aka meye aboaze we ni ma ye meye hwan sugar na ma eno as bibi sa wa hu
na 3 days na me hwe ayi adabraka Roxy Cinema Roxy Cinema and sene ayi amanfo ye nkoko kai yo phone and football
but kwa me say omaya ye timi etoto factories eda na ye na sorry na akogina asoro da ni mu abon pa da ko ma yeah great
sabe
Oko meat marketing board omo ye se na be ya enam ehun kwadwe ene Paris
ye mu passport offices ye go see
anyway kwa me ka hamane so na mene openi DM Oforiata Daniel Mafo ono eye Kasamafo edema Ochehne State Secretary me fancy actually for penny edema Achimabu Akwa MI no etwi na no ene be kasa ede afa aduagiri nsama aduagiri ehun sensem bia kwa me aba ayatie no Achimkotoku yeka kotoku a na odan ene potem omse hoye omode Achimabu Akwa omse hoye omode ene yesaka secretary na daroma on chechire mu sene ene masiti enche ne atum enye fancy say nsamamu aduagiri nsamamu de ye kwapen fo so ase ye ni wo ho na nana oti eka na pay mo achi nempo no yo ere yakopon ase anapai ye nsaka ye press bi a wo ye wo echebi na anu a na efa achim kotoku ani achimabu akwa ensase a ebia be pie mu wo aduagiri nsamamu aduagiri yenim se densu bridge no utwa ye aduagiri ni ene aduagiri ne sa ho nsa aso nsensem no wadaroma kiremu kakra
wa use oman bia wo na hye ohe achimabu akwa nana no fia danse akokre kokobiante ebetra ene present day achimabu akwa ebe over 500 years na nana no ekoya kusi densu no so densu no eno na ye ehye tufa enso one bridge no so ye nenkanfo ene ekapemfo ehye no ena ye ehye densu enti ensase ne fa hwa besi ehye pompon so eba de ko kwa ujejeti eti jejeti ene ye ocheman ene kwofo enso ehye ensase ne fa professor mankase ene ne important ho ni ade nyina na yenuanom kotokufo yeni omonte bone as recent as 1824 ena kotokufo weba jadem ene ka jadem a achimabu akwa usino important ho ndi ho ena after the jadem war no yenananom ema won baabi etran o baabi a ye frɛ no nsayem no ene ehɔ ne atem da a kutukufo echiche when sase no ni ade echiche won kro eno ni ade ewo sampo tempo na yenu anu kutukufo medika akasa ni ani on tebone enti na when sase ni bi no interspersed with atem
na sane o kan ni de ye besere se obekọ wati kakra ye obre kakra o kasa yenu anu kutukufo a atem yawo yati ochihene tani yawo kan de on dey overload over all achima na asachem ye wonchichemu
na edi achem no kra no ye musa say the buy
boy
ye nanda mu free adansia krokre kokobiante eba no omo de okun ene buy ye sasa ne da hokwa na ebra won ba no the opponents no akwamfo denchafo enum ne a won ye ka ho nananom engage won in wars no na when say the achimabu akwa war machine no the martial ado and bravery achimabu akwa exhibiting in war no ye kote se aboa ochem na aboa ochem no ono ne brofokasem no leopard ye friend Kofi Amansa if you nananom
ono no mfe na twie no
enu ye fe na twie no
okay twie na
Kofi Amansa ochem no so if you nananom ba na omo opponents no enemies no ho a o say ochamfo no na eba no enti with time no the leader of the Asuna group o lead the Asunafo no free adansia kroke kokobiante no one friend Twumhene so they make sense
yo
enti with time no and dane Twumhene with time no it was also corrupted into Twumhene so they jero enti abwa Twumhene there Kofi Amansa no ono ne ochiman ye kraboa na esan ye won sase bebre nti ya preso ema ye nuanom bosome kotokufo so be kan ye ho ema almost assume the identity of atem so dey zero it's ya to atem kotoku ene atem bosome so dey zero but edin Twumhene no de Twumhene bi gira baabi no say Twumhene what three Atem towns now Twumhene ni right to say or no be friend who Twumhene because he's not the overlord of all Atem for no ni ma bakosem Atem gbo akwa nei there were 940 towns and villages you understand and yes if you be tire nuanu kotoku ni bosomefo ho pion nenso kutokude bosume betumi aka omunkuro awo mensatia so omunkuro omo so na bijero na ene o de ma menyan fato ho bi o
tie fa ne sese ye wo kutoku bosume na abuakwa enye sa
sa te and there's so dispute about that but the Twumhene ebe the title Twumhene na ebinumo question say what three Atem towns so the other no nkwan fe na Twumhene and United States of America. You can say America, you South America, and you North America. But you can say the American president, there's no doubt this you to say you can Joe Biden. So there's zero. The American president. That the Brazil, for example, America. And then you can Brazil president, you can say no American president. There's only one American president, or only the president of the United States of America. So there's zero. Sometimes one papa no
say one more there na me say o my confederacy bia nei all the states in abebom governors are holding on to the state whereas they have the central power which is the American president money achimbo so many kotokufo mo yes anche no
as America so until ye but the America no you south and you North America Brazil no me adi nyina America.
Say omono say omono they have not assented to the confederacy system now omo for that matter Brazil, Mexico and all those people are on their own. And somebody say no the
United States of America. United States of America. we're students of politics. This is your kind of minimum. So I understand America is a federal state.
All right. Yeah.
Meaning the component states no near there constitute America. But America say America no, United States of America no. It is not the only country what the Americas. North and South America. There are a lot of countries that constitute North and South America. Now then, you can say, your friend Brazil president, or no, so even though or America or South America, no, you can say or American president. And so now, because American president, there were only one American president. And only the president of the United States of America. History, mediama way, you can dispute it. Kotoku for to be the almost history about the entire best friend. A friend say, I think Kotoku. But so for us to be about, yeah, and Kasa or money, you almost so. Yeah, no, they were not hegemonistic. And no more pet or Maya, Obia, Obati Cheno, in Sagulechi. Now better than in a qua and now better so. And your brow went back to Yeno. As soon as your mom baby, I try. And your mom, the autonomy, so one Kasa so better me, I show my Edio Moso. Sorry, General. Eddie, and they say, move back to ya zoom ye the ding at him that I know. And now another question is adding to the affair what he. Huh? Who have a question? That is the affair what he. No more Bazan and Brown watching for. Yeah, from Kotoku.
Ediko Tokuno, Yabeba, you may hear said that maybe and you better do more so. Ediko Tokuno, obey me a boy, as I say.
But when you offer Kotoku for our own action. But there makes sense, say, when by you know. And when free that them. Your mom baby a crying, in Swayim, and in Swayim no, and a year at him that I owe capital.
Okay.
And once I sing you, I waited for, as I say, I think when she and also what I think of Waka.
Okay.
And none of my toy, and your baby until you had the mouth. The same in the same breast. Oba Adwagia. Young Nanu Kotoku for a better. But the year can say. For the longest period in Achimwebwakwa history, no, Kotoku, Akonya Tuntumwa is Hono. There were records, every record. I just said Kotoku Heno, successive Kotoku Amanfo, dating back to over since 1902. As some Otehe, Anombo of Philippine, they have been members of the Achimwebwakwa State Council. Kotoku here, no, near the baby call. A year, Barima, Edukoko. Or maybe at the 1953. Embassy 2007 and San Okababi. It was the longest serving here Oba Adwajiri. Now here I can say was Sumoforin Koja. We are a member of the Achimwebwakwa State Council. Oba ya Akaisa. I can show you records and say sir or here I can want to no Jina Ketia. It will tell me. Kotoku a friend Adwajiri market. Okwa Adwajiri market. 1937, and none of Riata was signed in Dencha. Any home man, the colonial administration, on Yan Kotoku market. Song.
Adwajiri market.
Only an Adwajiri market. Yan Kotoku way. When someone tracy on root of title to Adwajiri, almost 15 years ago, and the wine, embassy, a year, or here, and then on friend here, or what, a friend, Adwajiri way. Yan can't history dated back. As far as 1894, I don't know.
And Yahya Adwajiri Akongwa Dahono, a Yabusia Ben de Sakomano.
Jumana for in the D Sakoyano. Your records are or the archives or the Achimwebwakwa State Council, not say. Barima Dukokwa would be idea from 1953 up to 2007. Barima Dukokwa no Jumanani.
And pray new dinner friend is a Wadaroma.
I was saying.
Niodi Adwajiri Akongwa say your friend is saying na ono se adwuma nani.
There Odi Adwajiri also Odi Adwajiri Akongwa say the young recognizes Obidi Adwajiri Akongwa. Nemo they actually say there also a Adwajiri heno or no or asreni. It is that you buy a asuna for Obedi Jumana for Akongwa or Matraso since 1953 no. I want to say no better actually.
Na 1953 okay you know. Na dwuma na ni nedi esida na mum yasonafo enti se akonya be yasonafo akonya na.
Well, you see Okay. The point I person making is you understand? Oshe Jumana for no. Now she Asuna for no. When you na Kotoku for. That point is accepted, and idea we do not dispute it at all. So, but can't say loyalty ni allegiance there. It should be paid to the Offolpeni stew and yet to Kotoku stew. There can no because as I say, Amania home. As I say, Amania way, a Casase home, and as I say, so a Camania home. There can't be jurisdiction and a customer jurisdiction. Customer jurisdiction and yet based on tribe and ethnicity. And yet based on geography and territory. Say and you say Obi free Togo eba Ghana. Next of beto asase. Next of the community be a Togo for bebre abexra hwa. That community now what Ghana no, it has not become an extension of the Republic of Togo. Because it's the jurisdiction of Ghana. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
In the same way, no. And because and now pick any map of Atimobwakobia, Adwadi and the border town. It's within the coastal jurisdiction.
Okay.
More than 5 towns. 5 towns. And divided Adwadi from Kotoku. Then you Kotoku for 3 trace among Adesu. And in United States, a bad a short day soon back Casse, a whole area. My fell to book Polly Hill, a celebrated English author or Troy. Polly Hill, or Troy about migrant cocoa farmers of the Gold Coast, the case of rural capitalism. Polly Hill, Eka say, in 1894, there was a dispute between Akuffo and Yapeja over the ownership of Adwadi and Saseno. Say Okojina Apeja Jansen na Quantum so and Sase wo basic densu nyina on the left Apeja and the Heso e de so wo chehin Ujina the same Jansen Apeja Jansen on the right and Sase wo nyina basic densu no on the right no ay apapam hin e do Heso e de so wo chehin 1894 and a dispute between Apapam and Apeja over the ownership of Adwadi. Now Adwadi no oyenipa o yakata Adwadi the ado Adwadi no ebesre asase according to Apapam no ewa Apapam for ewa no use ferry on the river Densu assembly court no assembly court Supreme Court of the Gold Coast no assembly court Supreme Court they can say Oma hwemo ano ma hu say asase a ewo Adwadi a eye sa Adwadi no ye de man no sa asase no e Apapamfo asase and this is the Supreme Court of the judgment of the Gold Coast wa eda ho it's the bay na Kotoku for one bay kubenya asase asase Adwadi
Entinia uka nyina no captured in the Supreme Court law report and yes sir
I'm telling you and you should go and read Polly Hill Google Polly Hill migrant cocoa farmers of the Gold Coast the case of rural capitalism Google it and you find it.
Okay. Ye kwada na yetwamu kokwawu na yefa ensawamu kromu no. Obedu desuno na ochehene ede billboard kese bi esi ho. Na okaza welcome to Achimabuakwa. You enter Achimabuakwa. Ba kun wase education ba kun unse ochem no eda so wodi free onya tra densu no a see Adwadi na sane wo kan ye hu bibisa in the 80s 90s some of us saw some of those billboards it has been there menim say that's see wa say e fa new road ninti me kai say ya fa kro ni mu a me kai say ultra UAC na wo trape na ahihene e billboard kesisi wo 80s 90s a me kai bibisa wadaruma o ebra na ochihene kuntunkuru ku akura me kai say mo de any photo be boss so sa billboard no me kai bibisa Emma yura amwatia ofrepani bae so mode bibi babo so me kai bibisa in the me kai bibisa na nyina mu no sane wo kan when it comes to allodian custodian asane man nyina kwan ben na mofo asase ne ma Kotoku ne omu claim ownership minim sa chima bokwa de enkrata ne records de record bi o ho ekte brea mode ma wom anasa papa mfo de ma wom no mode ma wom anyokofa so
Is it no? Esa odo ene ne wo ye nana no ntem. Obi nya ba bi ntina no ba. Ye mani ba bi tina. Enti eye ado agiri no. Ono no beje ehwa asase no. So ye nche no. First day nuanu Kotokuffo na nsem na no mutie o. Ena nsemfo ne epam won. En won ba. Den so leke ye ba bi ene Kotokuffo ne ti no. Enti san asase ne de kese wo chima esa ya do ye nti. One money at the ma to so a free teaching because when none of them says as in a war for him community. Chebi and an almost some what saying. Now I say, Ufri and Kayaba, Chachire, Teacher Mante, Chasing Kura, de ba, Numia, dea, Manasin, Numia Dina. I wouldn't any more clapping for at the hole. And for all Gilano, when you're clapping for be a latter for. I don't know more and can say a question or clap mine. Near almost some a overingoya. I then the same creature, teacher Mante. When can say, when on Cosmo or clap mine, no more soon, a part of the Akropong-Akuapem State Council. Amania Kasa, this is one of them, Amania Kasa. It will be a such one. Amania Ekovao. Amania, so it includes the process of insulation. How our form whereby, what fashion, where you said you see any panonia dinner. If you cannot apply and no so the client says what, it comes you. It's a net or saying so. Now for 2 weeks, there's ban on drumming and noise making. Kobe to say Adwagiri. Kobe to say Teacher Mante. Kobe to say Teacher Amana Sendia dinner, even though they and comfort one yatin for no. A binds on them. If Butunko ya won't give me your noise. Or change from one back. Woman, you know, such for no bomb or bema. Or Koyano. Omunya Samon Swat. A matter concerning the cause of matter affecting chieftaincy. A hint to any of his Samson Bawa. The Judicial Committee of the Timoboko Judicial Council. And what do you know?
And it's saying you should have from your work room hole.
Young recognize it, you see, or saying NC him, Ewa Adwagiri. Or here or Honor, young recognize it, or nothing, Ewa Timoboko.
And they say one must see Mohina and answer must be.
You may see. None of them Yahoo Abisi.
Now more than Jumon and Inesi and Amado Australian AC.
Why you say your records will be in such a manner for need, and your body at Juman in the BC.
Jumon and Neo Kotokunia now, Jumon and Nia, or Bokweni.
Make me say, and Kofi when they are going to why you Kotokuffo. This is what they are.
It's when Jumon and Nia, or Ye Kotokunia, or Bebren was Yasum, Yura, or Chicken and the basis.
Debbie, you see, and yes, some BBO. Send your chair every chicken, no Sadia Bayan.
I don't know that no to say no on your money.
Well, baby, I know Ekonya and Akonya free, and Nejumana for Konya also restaurant. I'll make a cosm here.
And the more recognize Jumana at the Shibusiano, I'm recognize it apart from no, do be bad as Rani.
The most overriding issue, they say, the most overriding issue, they say, whatever it is, no, the stool like a word, a sub stool of the Philippines stool. That is a contention. And yes, some stool or the Kotoku stool. That is a contention. No.
The last chief or Kamuno or also come 2000
2007.
If you almost say Hinibio.
Almost you see, the Koba and say, a Barima Dukoko, 2007. And now, just say, yeah, who you buy, you best your Hinyan, you know. And then Crawford the Manson. I call the Judicial Committee of the Kotoku Traditional Council. And now, Kotoku Traditional Council, it's a somebody kind jurisdiction because someone need Adwagiri and himself and some of that.
And now, get some refer much more.
Exactly. And no more Zoom jurisdiction. And no more. Now, Sabra and Bama Dukoko, excuse me. Nabusia Fono. Omo answer to the jurisdiction of the Kotoku Traditional Council.
Because they thought that they lack jurisdiction.
Exactly. Because Omo Kodi Omasem Kotoku Traditional Council. And the Omolaki jurisdiction and the Kotoku Traditional Council went ahead to give judgment against Bamadu Koko Nebusha Fono. And now 1 year appeal. Now you see, 2007 and the Kotoku Traditional Council Judicial Committee no make a judgment no. Sabra no here no clients no. The same 2007 no around here no. When here what the idea for over 50 in essence of 50 years no. When she open or say and or he what we say I know he won't na ye empa no krabian fani ko ne kura you see him for and I do ayada and I do and nananu nyina da and when ye nwa ade ati won so mo sigin enti January 26 2008 and na adwaji ade here no when ko file appeal regional house of chiefs no the judicial committee in the no the substantive case as to whether or not Jumana found the idea and the one they want to be said this year and then abedi idea was not determined. The case said Kotoku the judicial committee of the Kotoku Traditional Council any jurisdiction no crown. It wasn't heard. The Nanano panel no so kind say the BBI the statute limitation said they are out of time and that they should have filed the appeal in December 2007, but they brought the appeal no in January 2008. On the basis of these technicalities, and this may say the case against the appellant, and then they yet away appellants and appeal to the National House of Chiefs. But the other can say, depending on whichever outcome, I do agree. According to the substitute of the Philippines too. That's the point we are making. And that's a fundamental pointer. You're basically making a talk. Obia or take adwagiri. Nasum.
My memory na me say legalities area bomb. Now, when they realize say the Achim Kotoku people lack what we call jurisdiction, why did they sort of subjected themselves to the case in the first place? Now they lack jurisdiction. And they want to preside over a case that they like jurisdiction. So why did the Jumuanes of the Kotoku descent subject to their ruling? They should have had it quashed because the ruling even lacked merit on arrival.
But you see, Emrani Amani a chieftaincy course, the determination of a cause of matter affecting chieftaincy must first be heard at the court. The customary tribunal of first instance, which is the judicial committee or the traditional council. The regular course of Ghana, per the constitution of Ghana, any jurisdiction over chieftaincy matters. It is only the customary tribunals, that is the judicial committee or the traditional councils, regional house of chiefs and national house of chiefs, and the jurisdiction. So, over the traditional council, Nase Ibwa for Anaunto Huasia. Oko the judicial committee or the regional house. Also, for now until the judicial committee of the regional house. National house. National house you go for now until Supreme Court of Ghana and only the final arbiter. In the regular course of the omni jurisdiction. But the American say.
But I think that we are educating the people, and I'm interested in where I take the conversation. Now, other than Achima Buakwa, knowing very well, say you have a certain interest in the whole Adwajiri issue. Why didn't you join? Did you join as an interested party? While they were going from judicial?
How could we have joined? That we should have joined the action. The Kotoku Traditional Council.
No, when Kotoku Judicial Council did the ruling at Oman Kasa, they call all the judicial committees, I think Kotoku Achimaba could have joined to give them a certain boost and support.
No, joined as what?
As an interested party, because now the land belongs to you. Modi Amanfo so now you realize there are certain ruling coming against them. Why are you talking today? You are talking today because you feel you are interested. You are an interested party. Why all those time?
Okay. The judicial committee, a very unique jurisdiction. Almost sole duty is to determine a course of matter affecting chieftaincy. You understand the point I'm making? That is the cause of matter affecting chieftains and I'm right defining no as a cause affected the installation, instrument, and the instrument of a person as a chief. You understand? So the matters that went before the Kotoku Traditional Council had to do with who has a legitimate claim to the Adwaji stool. No? Hello. Adesia Omo Jumana Ebusiamu no ade no. Omo na yan you recognize them. But your capacity they enter into side litigation or anything. Because yanya this year your work your friend say your Kajumana Ebusia this akunya no. You understand the point I'm making? We could not have entered into side litigation. It's almost and the better enter into side litigation. But the idea can say whichever the outcome is, no, that too no belongs to the Philippines too. As I can.
Now that wants to a certain Kotoku is laying claim for it through a certain Asuna way so that they can have access and Buakwa is also laying claim because of your friend is saying through Jumuana. Don't you think, sir? And then we have press conference. We indicate teacher Akuffo say you're interested because Jumuana phone you do more to the sumi. And then I make say maybe in the past you could have come out as you are doing now. It's not late.
It's not late. Why is it late? That your right and ownership over your own property and land can be late. I mean, how is it late? The law recognizes
late in the say Brian and Akropong na ohor matna ha Akropong no eden semu ya show mutirima afa na ebiso ka say quants and sasibia estate sembi ni ade ade na the commercial viability and am sorry say nyina matete no so
what commercial viability you can accuse you of say commercial viability enti na Kotoku for etre otema nkro be num aba adwaji abeka so omo dia no mo no beka say tiai David asema meka say Akropong ka say because of the commercial viability na ma ebia se na ewu kan mu mienu nyina no I'm dismissing that claim say e hon say no na no start making commercial and other transactions also no enye it's a one canary is one last commission ko busta say hon asase na hon no de ma abai it's one canary go and find out.
Naka me baby say one assign your friend is say na say him for the sign chief concern na etaba on my so end so and you be a house no mo endorse mo sign bibi wo in the past and some can read a typical example
there are commercial and other transactions a cost on Adwaji and SAS and in SAS was am potem nyina o say or no as a rodia owner no or no to me odema na na du kokko ebreso no ni adi nyina no e hon SAS 7 ni agi nyina o hen anka metu ya say bra the archives of this Akropong Traditional Council ni encho records of land transactions akoso since 1902 Adwaji but the encho the records no ni adi say no land has ever been leased to Adwaji as so without the consent and concurrence of the Twumhene.
Adwaji no oye Kotoku ni.
Adwaji na can assume so Kotoku because na say any tray when be on be say sama no.
Na anopa do be si ha na ye be boy pin bio na ye wonchemu bia ya san beje anopa yi.
Okay, me that's it.
Yo, opening Daniel Ma for your Chinese State Secretary Adwaji Nsensem Kwame. Na wutie bate
makoye ochini if mena achima safuni wo me enti achima sem de ya na edimu akotene
to be ba ya sana so be
oh e won se na keka no kutukutu mi nkrofo kakra ho
na Abuakwa Ansong Baffuor
achima safu Abuakwa no Ochihene otisisi ya no ohwemu a anka wose me wofa da no oba ha ana anka se oye ne chiame but no kwase me se ma se na okase Kwanse state for no wo mu de ne se amamu a sanka Ochihene en mpanyefo enyem ahwe nka kokoje sasa no ehun se sika ebem se
papa che se from 1902 you more trans internal canary Adwaji St. Martin's
secondary school, yeah.
Senior name, yeah, can say, you better records now. Me and Quadan, so a billboard kakrakabi, AC, Utad, Wajin, Suna, now, or Chehene, Osaji Kuntunku cracker, more than the boss of Kakra, Semi Kaya, and Ochehene and Motia by and so on the boss. And which more told that normally green was all my green, normally or Chamono, almost emblem not to Sonia. I think that there's a certain authority be normal at the SC.
Yeah, me can different kakra. Unse senior or chairman anya development up to Sabre, you know. Me say anka penny function mona development, you know. E being cover those areas in nanka a chirasam na yen can say we ebay who because me to me aka Akuffo or mensano ne ade obi so kote Okoman Kasa no so kopejaba so me to me sabi adwenhye hia ni aka ho na de mentim ho as eba wo hwe mpumtu a oche man anya na wo hwe nkruye wo ho no ya na yebesere se mpumtu no mu enko cover those areas no rather than say be chance na ye twen ho ha me no ka say wo hwe ba bi a achim kutukuro ya omo twen for mo say binya football pitch kwane bobo so na ye hwe no mo nka na ye hwe we no a Mr.
Na yene Dr. Stephen Amoa oye mrashebedwani edema enhyaiso abato empeso so adehye wo ho na gina omanamu mrashebedwam papa na no adanso ya power no so onkodi so afọ abedi akiri wo trade ministry ene one yewra Katie Hammond ene nanamodoku a ene minister saka na ekoya adwuma wo ho na no converting and ho so sabrobe and ye hwanim se nanu ada ya wo de edi animi ni ate se da no bia no etia ne be hia no ma hwe na o ma ye ne fata na wetima be di ne djuma oyobi a oye Okoman FM so ya damfo ya line o frɛ na no pa wi anwumre bre o mu ko a ono be kasa ene eba sikasam tutu ye nso a ne tima bobe wan kasa mrana Akuffo tadebo ne sticker unim sticker ene ye saka no fi ha nanu ada ye danya ne ya na yesa ho kyene ade benti o na road minister Iram Akwata so road to no kra ye be kan budget no yanyi bio eno no tinkoda ehwe niema hodo a Ghana na mu ne pese sorry free yeti bia ni mu a na no ada 2023 eye budget statement ba no e kire se nei abana sign ede road to no eba na ade na radio so yakan se be ya abana famra na yehwe ya dama bia no obi de sobo akobon se cost financial loss yensa ka no yemisa ne se enei abaya se akofa di bai ho asem te se opani emu achi
mejo suminia
nempo no
acho ni ko na dum ne hoye na mpacho mo so
yakopo dum ye hoye na anapai ye frɛ wa ya se metitia senkwatia no wadaroma ya tese ene nano konmasika ho ma ne bo ba mrahye bedwam no ne fa bi kire se ene page 446 ane ehunu no kire se ne aban no asan ekofa eye roto no de abase netia nano na tia minister akwansem so ofurata honorable ofurata yeze yentwetwen so ene ade onye bia wotie na eye na akakra na se eye anwawa akakra se bebo ayin wo de otima bobi wo sikasem
yo medafe anopa michia yenyina yetiefo na minia ade ba akon na sisi me ka ho asem kire Ghana fo dodo na ye me ka kire Ghana fo nyina se sene eya sebi obi yare a okọ asopeti na okọ apomdin bia ho na oja no humuma onimdiefo a owo nimdiewo apomuden ho no sebe ototo nano na okusakusa nipadua no na otimika se dabi yare we die eye sebe we na ekofare bai nti anya na mo we di bitu afa ho no saa na wi asefa na nyina ade bia wo no ho nyindiefo na Ghana ye wo no sei ye sebe MPP na wo ana NDC na wo
yɛ manaka ɛsɛ biribi ba optimumfo kro monte nneɛma n'ase no woyɛ nhyehyɛ bi a wɔn si daabi yɛmpɛ ɛtɔda nso a sɛ NDC na wɔ abɛn mu a wɔn yɛ nhyehyɛ bi a ɛtɔda koro ɛbɛboa o ɛnso NPP foɔ no hu sɛ so wɔn tumi kutia saa nhyehyɛ no a ɛbɛma sɛbi wɔn anya nipa mu animonyam ne ato aba ama wɔn na bi a NDC afiri hɔ the same way na NPP so wɔ hɔ a NDC so yɛ nti tɔda a ɛsɛ abɔfra ɔyareɛ na ne maame pɛ sɛ abɔfra no pɛ n'asɛm ne papa pɛ sɛ abɔfra no pɛ n'asɛm ɛno nti no ɛduru ɛbɛboa abɔfra no nanso ɛnwono kakra abɔfra nso me deɛ mennom ne maame si wobɛnom ne force ne papa si ogyaa no so that abɔfra no bɛka sɛ ne papa ne pɛ n'asɛm anaa ne maame ne pɛ n'asɛm sɛ yɛnyi saa tebea wei ɛne sɛbe mindset wei ɛmfiri ɔman mu ne yɛadwene mu na yɛama ɔman no ɛnni anim kan as stakeholders a inua yebregu opa sɛ NDC MPP CPP kɔfata ni blebra enyeji efi sɛ adeɛ a sɛbi ɛbɛboa ma ɔman na kɔso no timamufo na kutia ewie a yɛsa complain ɛba sikasɛm nhyehyɛ ya ɛba ɛtoɔ a yɛgye a ɛtoɔ no ɛnyɛ static policy ɛyɛ calibrated yɛkasa biribi yɛ calibrated a ɛyɛ adeɛ a bɛtumi adjust na no nyɛ sɛ ofiti ya na wogye toɔ na wongye toɔ ɛba ɛtoɔ gyegyeɛ paa amanyokuo biara wɔ sɛbe ne sipim anaa ne nyina soɔ ɛbɛ NPP a totɔ kasɛm yɛsɛ yɛ capitalistic in terms of a major economic policy adoption and ideology. No, the capitalistic, you adopt expansionary fiscal policies. You tell us, you are buying, you did this uncle human and on my etumpong. We believe in the FNO. Private sector is the engine of growth. 80 and she share by a bino. Ancestor, oh, yes, on your crow, or mind your case on your tour there, and yes, one man, because I mind the tour every input to him. Or your tour, or Baba Bosiam, or mind that Chelsea. In your tour, a baby as he can send a tour. Uncle Fem free baby. Name a tour no, say a better expansionary or adopt expansionary fiscal policy or capitalistic. Yeah, now, Usu, Emma, at was no, a baby, send a bay uncle man so betting a guinea. Na oma trade to minimum na oma fa nkrofo bebre wa adwuma no na nkrofo ne to na obetua te se pay no na corporate taxes no eno nso aboa nti eno na baomia koka ye na onimonyamfo baomia doctor his excellency nkrofo ye o wase ye nye tax da ye be production eno na propaganda ana ebinum ante
Honorable, Yamra, you told no, so now I'm saying,
Unimra dia, because I'm a Chilenian Mamma Bissi, but any ready at Tono, Yamaka Cousin and say, Yamra Sabi, Yatutum, Yamra Yitu Fiho, Yamra Yatuoso, Yamra Yadu Froba, into Bella 2014, 15, 16. There are no NDC for her budget a trauma, Kuma. The woman the car home and now for the buy and I do mean kiss your carbon air do mean 2017 a tour nanado a yifi and now tesono na a dun soon and it was adding sian and so I feel the neck cost you didn't break a car home. 18 members and the cat Ghana for and say you'll be a friend of fiscal space consolidation and I say if we say yeah in productivity private sector in Crawford corporate tax in a revenue shortfall of over 11 man a conform air by and soon to my Bible Bussian be breed. That time so near because near we have much about step near Macra might yet to see it's a GDP and grown to a debt to GDP no a casino as say a quite about quite first way in here and say domestically if you money on mine we bet my judge to work. Na ya beti Bosiana ya bono so kakra na o man etima safa ne ntoma page na eti aban be sa heto na wo yifi ho no ana o te so no na o de wasa apagem ana ɔde foforɔ aba sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a ɔman no embutu koraa na enipa no sɛbe ɛnkɔ ahohia ma yɛntumi ma yɛkyi biom ɛno na aban gyina so a ɔyɛ nhyɛ sɛ okay roto no duru mebi fi ɔba sɛ deɛ yɛhɛ ɔman no ahokyerɛ ne nneɛma deɛ ɛkɔ wiase nyinaa fa nana ɛne yɛ kae de na ɛwɔ sɛ mesa akɔfa ba yɛtumi yɛ nhyehyɛeɛ a ɛbɛtumi ama ɔman yɛasa afe ntoma pɛɛfɛ na mmerɛ bi du na nneɛma totɔ yi a yɛbɛtumi asɛ yɛ firi hɔ anaa yɛbɛte so
ɛnti na ebi ka sɛ saa bere a aban no ɛkɔyi saa tax no firi obi saa bere asɛ anka wɔ hɔ anka ahokyerɛ na yɛwɔ mu no nka asɔɛ so kakra o nti na wɔsan de aba yi ɛnkyerɛ sɛ ɔde pressure bi anaasɛ ayi bi na tu mu na ne wɔn sɛ daabi ankɔ yie ilebi ankɔ yie ne ade
wohɛ nkyerɛkyerɛ mu na mede baeɛ no yɛka sɛ biribi yɛ calibrated a ɛyɛ ade a ɛtumi kɔ soro ba fam depending on the situation nti mmerɛ bi du na aban yɛ na nhyehyɛeɛ na ɔfo sɛ ɔde toɔ bi ba ɛtoɔ no sɛ nkyɛ ɛnyɛ yɛ nuanom ɛwɔ maahyɛ no gye ɔmotwee n'ase ama ghanafoɔ ante ase anyɛ yi a ɛdi ankatoɔ no sika a yɛbɛnya no kebi koraa kɛɛ nkwae no yɛtwee n'ase a wɔ maahyɛ no adwuma ma nneɛma ankɔ yi ɛma sɛbi sika no deɛ anisua ntumi anya de ahokyerɛ aba hwee nsi aban kwan sɛ ɔbɛsan akɔfa saa toɔ no na ɔde aba anaa ɔbɛyɛ nkirisi saa na teɛ ɛtoɔ deɛ yɛ nhyehyɛ ɛbɛdu baabi koraa aban bɛtumi asan yɛ firi hɔ anaa aban bɛtumi asan de aba anaa ɔbɛyɛ nkirisi ne mpo anaa ɔbɛte so eti deɛ ghanafoɔ bɛka biara no sɛbi wɔn mfom sɛ wɔn nso bɛkyerɛ wɔn adwi na emom deɛ ehia ne sɛ ɛtoɔ na aban bɛyɛ no ɛbɛboa ma esika somehow no ntumi nsɔɔbi ne nyinaa deɛ but ebɛtumi ama n'aba fam kakra na yɛso yɛtumi afɛ ntoma pɛɛ sika.
Say buy and you say 88% increment be na or proposal the aba say be ya near ye 10 no and co 50 pesos near what say increment no then okay say timi tum yetimi so sabre ya oman ya ho kire ne ade ne ekoto so e brepam
na sabre nso a ho kire so ya anye bibi tse ya e te se de nchi mo ba yare na se o me ba no yare edru a ode ma no no obana ko ntimi ni di dada enso aduro ne yesi oni di anza no anom obabo modia krokro oba no kakra afọ so no nketinketi amena didi no anyankwa ana abeka se oba no aduano no odi ano ofintu mani ni di onwu na bi onya ne sa enti ete Ghana fo asesa ahokyera ba ena nya Ghana nko ena okọ English unu ya bi wo English ni America ne other places from nebusa omre enu ati so ko South Africa demonstrations akese ukọ ene UK ambulance nurses teachers magistrate court railway workers postmasters aviation omunyina akoko strike ewiase nyina ahokyeraba just that ebi de eche bi kakra eni obi ati ase but ahokyeraba ewiase nyina na bi akaka na enhyehye we nya beye na ene de enweno kakra ba ekira ebem ye ho apre na o ma na afa nto opefra yesre Ghana fo omunti ase na enya ade ebebo rather than say yebetie doomsayers ne propaganda for no ma sebe omumpe BNPP amaya na omuntimi na bi ase ana woma ye die nti omekeka nsem sane ebe Ghana for mu befu na aban anko ye nhyehyɛ ebebo na daachi oman ni bi collapse ene de emwai nti egitum sɛ ade a ɔha wɔ hɔ ɔya ɛwɔ hɔ but ya nhyehyɛ we su dia ene oman no ebegu kodwo tɔ ne fi sɛ nya no so ne yɛpɛ
na ohia ayi etoyom de ba afoforo ya say agricultural tractor with trailer ye charge no na gine 50% say ye gine 10 ye gine 1 na agricultural trailer no bi ka say ye kroi mu agrarian economy agric de no na ye de ye bibia no bi de tractor ko ye agric adwuma maduane aba eno so ye gine to no so o dwen wo say
lampa cho mi ye ku ani pa me tractor bi o mafu ukomi mfu ma tractor wo mo munim say adwuma me wo planters wo ho me wo efe bi boom sprayer ni amo sa me ni na ki na lo se na ya o so say pass no yam broading base no na o mai ko ye ko si enkosi koda nti wo yenya de ene ye sori asu ni pe bebre nti tax small businesses no bebre nti aban no on product tax base tax net na na moka afedi abode tax net so amusi oni akro no edwuma ye so akwaje ni tax na ni o man no say yenkwa na yemra Say me busa o minia yenko ana yemra. Ghana ha SMEs juman keten ni adantemo no. Omo ye be 80% to 90%. It is also omo nti onye omo tax nya hwea. Enye se o pese o kasa o ma no. Nya de bi anampatom de ne kan boa. It mesrem. Atuan keten na ye no. Anu bi ene ye free school master ni pa no na kwatin ko school free no. Enu bi na buy the support to issue enyina mahode akwan ya faso school there na be we school bi say school no kora no abubu school no I say school no kora nkwe school ni say na aba ni nyina no se be say kwatia de say ye disika na ye ne enkotie duru ma ni nyina ne ahaban ti mesre Ghana fo mumma aban so sabe space kakra na monti ni na bi asia ti asia nya de ebe no aka say de. Yes, I assume Ghana form, but Mr. Say, she said, the same person now, more attracted man, it may Shama on the Bansway to Nako school, Abbey or the foot, said the Anad Bay or the foot, or Mampany Mahama, that Abbey or the foot, said the Professor Mills, may he so rest in peace on Mampany for, on Mampany that Akuffo, me and make us say, said the Prince of Prince for the creation, I will miss answer, say, said the Miss Who I can be at the opportunity my way. What you say? It is I buy the abua only be a bamoso to Nako school. In the Sikasam, you cannot say in India. But you must have Monte family as well. India. And I was saying,
and I pay better say, maybe chess a besamba, honorable.
Hello?
And I pay better as maybe chess a besamba. Majority, I think we've lost him. Naka ye na kia bisa se ene dama bia china ya wo mka ne tumu a hye no so ode ba agopramane ne so set deputy minister of trade na kwa me etuo ya bai financial laws bi ma mu ho
kwa eja oda roma eno hu na me dwen no ebenya ba esa ne se eja se yinrastika ode yincha no ene anopai kwa na ye mana mu se ye friend kwa no oje bre ne ye kasa eja ye oha asem we aka ne ha bredodo a mo ye de to sa roto yi mu se ye nye bio no ene sa bre kwa ko bi no ye nhwe sa period no ye hwe sika anka ibinya wo de nke ye te so kra ba 20 pesos say sa private cars ye na ye se ye nye 1 cedi ye nye 1 cedi ko gi 1 cedi 50 pesos na ade no wo de te so kra ba 20 pesos ene gina ho no mo fi sa bre no be pem ne anke betu enya sika ama ye ho atumi na ya dwuri ne ma we nyina gu wo mo etete wo no mo ye adwuma ebi kra de yare ne ohaw afa ho awu ni ade ene yesi san de ababio me ma me abra bi ne ka na se wo se wuti wiase a mo bra te se ohiani a wo de kente ne kwa afuom se wo ye ohiani na wo de kente kwa afuom a ho ba chew Ghana ye boy bra se ehiafo aso ye de kente ne kwa afuom adwuma ho a ye betumi adanda ho na ade na ye yama ya anye ye gu no yesi edu because the be Johnson bia enti amfa Johnson bia no ene yesi yensamre ekibio na bia na egu no yesa be siesie no eje ko fasika asa be siesie to butu na bubu ye no ye ko fasika asa be sibio na de nipa tremu bio na ko fani pada da na se ko e ko fani ba foforo
ama me ka hamasi ni nkomo fatu ya ho Farouk Awahab international diplomatic consultant yes aka no ne obi anim no fia se oye adamfo oye nua ye bibia Farouk anapoti ka ye mawachi.
Good morning.
Many aboko there.
Inshallah, be okay. I'm fine.
Da yakopon ase. Wada Roma ye friend of ya to booth na no ada road minister say finance minister e dey aba o matwam 11 ba ebefa hwana ene ye da sore ya na no ada wode akogmasika eye budget ho amane bokobo ye no page 446 ene wode ato say ho abehia say e wo say otimi edi road to no esanba Ghana for say na wa cause financial loss na no ada wotum besi nei na enokra wan ko pal say opani sa na ema nyina wo de wani de akire o fa ne say
okay anything that has to do with government, right? And for that matter, GOG, Government of Ghana at the moment. I'm sorry, related to the revenue generation, the government or the country, we are very confused. Without any reservations, without any fears or favor. Bottom line is that You can't be a road minister and you keep switching and changing the post every minute as and when and how. If you want to play politics, then you just no toll booth. When now you are talking about the economy, then you want to shift it back. What does it mean? It means that what did the road minister, what was his analysis and how and who told him? We didn't complain as nationals. Ghana has never complained. Even though the toll booth gets money, you and I know that we cannot account for that money in this country. Nobody knows what it is. Not only MPP government, NDC government alike. The Fourth Republic of 32 years, none of them can account for how much they have received on the toll booth itself. But we have not complained. We're paying. Tema, we pay. Kumasi about 2. Aflawu about 2. All the Côte d'Ivoire border or Côte d'Ivoire road, about 3 or 4 toll booths, we pay. Now, if you suddenly do a U-turn around that, okay, Ghanaians, you know what? No toll booths, everything. Then there was a hooray. The whole country was happy. And the normal, just only 6 months or 8 months, less than a year, you come back. You come back, and then you want to reinstate. I hardly find it very, very difficult to understand it in that order. It doesn't really sound. You understand me? It doesn't really sound to the extent that there is no point. You bringing it back. It's rather you have to define and explain what issue, what is the reason, why are you putting the toll booths back. It just only explains that it is to generate revenue. We know. It just explains that you want to make money on the toll gate. We understand. But with that, how much do we get out of it? What do we do with that money? Where does it go? Any money that goes to the road, the toll gate, the moment that the money is collected, yes, we know there are a whole lot of funny things that goes out there. We know the receipt politics that they play. I wouldn't mention names, I wouldn't mention government, but both governments, like the officials have been doing. They have their own tickets printed for the boys sitting in the booths. Yes, we can call it unconfirmed, but they know it's a confirmed thing that they do. So instead, in the morning, let's say Tamamoto Way. Tamamoto Way, they will sell in the morning maybe up to 10 o'clock. These receipts belong to people. These receipts are people's receipts. That we know where it goes. And then before they sell the government one, at the time that the traffic is loose. When the traffic is back, then they do somebody's own. Randomly. It's something that they've been doing all the time. We are aware as a nation. But if you are collecting the money, nobody says that in Europe, in America, all over, toll gate, toll booth, it is there. The people pay. But they use the money purposely for something else. They use the money to build the roads. They use the money to build the road infrastructure. They use the money to build other things on the road, repairs, make sure that the roads are kept in check. Ours is not like that. In front of the toll booth at Tema end of the toll booth, motorway, go and look at it. Go and look at it, how bad the road is. In front of the toll booth at Ofanko, look at it, how bad it is. It is a case. Our toll booths even justifies what they use the money for. So if you are collecting money from Monday to Sunday, morning, 24 hours run toll booth, and in front of the toll booth, you can't do it. When is it? They collected the money to the road fund or they collected money. Every money collected goes to where? Consolidated fund. And Ghana consolidated account is like Jatanum. Sika Rama MP. It is the same thing that we have at our judiciary system. Ghana judiciary, I'm opening up to you. Chief Justice or Ghana justices should come and tell me that the money that the Ghanaian courts generate, it should be able to build a road. Money that is generated from even the judiciary services, filing fee, etc. But go and look at certain courts, including the court that was in Mampong, including your court that was sitting in Mampong. It is the same thing like the road toll booths. The same thing. You collect money. Where you are collecting the money, the money, that site itself does not attract the services using that money. So we are quite anxious about it. And so they ban it there, and your problem. One family, yebetia, because Ghana has 3 forms of government practices. The Ghana party or your campaign for election or your socialism or pretty campaign socialist. You measure where mamo, you be where mamo, you be hospital mamo, you be where mamo. That is the socialism. Oye nessa or your law, sir. Obey then no communism or shall law nanopa, the oye communist system. Wouldn't mean Kabi or the Aba Upumpo or the Aba. Now, Oye Anuria, that is communism. Or your communist a laws New Year, or Shananopa, a Riana Sati, ne a year Juma. That is communist system. When we have communist system, now I say for capitalism, and say, Monster America. Monsha Germany, Monsha UK, Monsha Canada, Omu tax Omu VAT, 19%. Sabia Kushisem, because Obakachem say, Monsha Canada, name VAT 19%. We are not the source say, Canada salary, Omji 400 a month. Canada salary, Obiya Juma Canada, Oji 500 Ghana cedis a month. No, the sources say, Obi or ministries, no, yeah, Juma Canada, yeah, piano, $100, $50 a month. And only the one we are to pay there, you compare Ghana to countries and their taxes. When you want us to pay there, you make a law and we should comply. But when you are demonstrating or you are campaigning for my vote there, you tell me, say, I can do this, I can do that for you. Messi market, Messi public, Messi bridges, Monsha de Minya development, Nina Maye, Misku matter. So you come out with Coco Mini policies, but you don't follow them. I don't have a problem. Say country, you to road, never the better target. That is not a problem. But the target na again no, Momo barrier. Your friend is oh ba esoha. There what ayi mensa no. Tell me ayi mensa. So be a target in so Jijiska, and so far as for Johnny Few a unimu. It can't be a chairman, so be a toy, hallelujah. How many times, how many years since when Menu Milu, our use to a Yimensa, not target way, Sato Butway, yet Tamujini Pescam and Ye. Abaya a huge revenue center connecting to the east. Yet that's all told Butwin and will be a Jumati a GM, more or less. What ye wiem and what Jijiska? Nedua be fat at this canako. It's better than so be so to 1 year Juma. Sabi uncle printing receipts. No son Tony the Anopa. And on Tony the Enumerate. One a tea receipt or check what the cocomacho receipt in me that. Ya J. Never receipt me and Safa go. Compare. Ubon's the receipts in the differences room. Everybody are printing receipts in difference. Everybody. And never me break crosswa. Nobody says a country be with Sika Washa Daso and won't mean Dino or the Chiche. Saudi Arabia in a told it to her. The only country in the world why embrace once be that it's the Republic, Socialist Republic of Libya. Muammar Gaddafi, the only president on the African continent and almost the whole world, I want to encourage you to target. So what is the target meant for? If the country has the money to build the roads, why do you have to tax the people? On a car insurance, he was paying for car insurance. What talk about insurance amount? And two or three target, but road minister make say the target, Sikane Bay. Nyasha target, and you move a whole crack, shaho. And you know, I some baby a target, I'm going to buy a toilet. And I know.
I know also the washrooms, the toilet anyway.
I would and can washroom and you need the toilet. No be antibi. We are washroom and not to say baby Gary. Or say, in Tinam, say, ekwa da ho nipa etwam ekwa aba no na obi se bi opese okọ yizi no ho a no across road because ni fie toilet ni ho se also na o drive a na o de asu o se wonya running stomach na o drive do park no kogura ho one shot at the way a target ya build no ni ansha hawa na nkofo be use toilet no. How was it? It's like you insult the people on the face because you're Jimmy Sabi. We don't know what you are talking about. Target into of a immense target, you know. What are your toilet? I ain't an uncle be intimate. Masa.
Ate oji di say adia papa kan sa break digidia ebesi na wasa ye U10 dia bank focus we hiti humble pie ni ade ohia as I be financial loss of a state that you can be taken on
mano mun sutu west so iti humble pie we iti disgraceful pie no iti humble pie there's so be to me iti humble pie
and to across the financial loss wa
now it's more than financial loss because so we so be say the revenue lost over the period. And I'm just accountability and accounting. Nobody had brought the toll gates in Ghana. Nationwide, Accra to Bimbila, Accra to Paga. Obian was the toll gate a month, a day, a week. What the figure number 2? But United States of America, any countries now compare no within every day. Sierra Leone, Okwaje Bosnia or China, EPC. China for none bay, I'm first can in some. And we're building the toll gates. And what this Leone inspector they are doing, and an electronic receipting system. China need Ginisika 25 years. Sierra Leone government said, "One call you here near Munyansa said, Ebiana 25 years in India. Now what is Canary? And the China tell dia monitors now. What did this Canada by China investment? China tell dia Yamam super control. Yaba control monitors no." With our passcode. Now I record from time a baby copy time a bedroom on daily basis, on hourly basis, and now 24 hours and your tumor. The road be also your tomb. In Tiano Pano, officer new so sick China for now agency, but the thing is electronic receipting system and the Sierra Leone be opina and sana Adiana Yajuma. And they are paying the money at a faster rate. And in countries like China, no, and one they are coordinating Adiana. Or Betty a coordinator control system, no. Next can be a day, she go at the end of the day, no. And your receipt in a tetina serial lady Betrianica. At the end of the day, no, their system now record, and the system now record the young password, Namsumunji Musika. Clever nation. Now with the up to now, you get 10, 1 city in 5 cities a window. You get 1 city a window. Near to receipt, you know. Onya, the only say, you on Crabia, almost a receipt in Anajo. So Jumano. Because what they are no attraction, so you be. What you receipt in no attraction a hop, no tremco. Or you receipt in no attraction. Ya ma omuwo sa adwuma mso ye temamoto bi wo ho kaso bi wo ho edwa najo a no mso kura bag no ma se receipt ni nyina do mbehunu bia enante kwa nso be 200 meters away esese bi nwuram no mo sa de akọ de kwa my boys na mo attitude receipt no na wo ti receipt a hwe date ya receipt ma wo hwe date service o yin inside no do se sa to so amount why we date that receipt in date also. The date was the Bena Wagi receipt I wrestle. Make sure the Akoso. Almost our collective receipt and call for a good room. The Akota never pulsing bag missing in chain. We are not on Kosam, we are the Worm City and says and the Mia on Semno. What the Mia on Sem Yan Temnaco. Not your no receipt I told you, no, Nanny brother Begis calendar call. Na penyin fo no so mso receipt wo no aton no nso ababaje ko ade che no masa sesa mon start say mo hwe receipt date obohu the American say wo kroma asagana for the mpaboni o wo ko we no akatu akota masleki ana sorry them no akata nani no bompa ye buttons. How can the country develop?
how can the country move on? One minister Nankasa ni Shishayepa. We need Shishayepa to control how much the money comes. Road minister Mekancha Kaswa target averagely. Nipa faso and a faso. Can a faso into a margin of 10% incremental. Sign a winya. You should be able to talk of your average. We will be a take a swaba crab your own 2 years. Kekos Kas woman Yako. Elubo Kas woman Yako. What the Vaka said woman Yako. And there is a margin. Either 5% out or low percent out. Rainy season, no checking in. And May, how much? Then when you graphical control, you know how much you make. Do they have that? The motorway, there be a complex near their bay expansion. Motorway no cannot service itself. And what kind of when you be no bianco? Don't you go and run no for your information. We are journalists. When you research.
Yeah, the better form na yashe sa ensema wo kan na ensade na ese ya sefem sempa amambo esema emwa say aban beji sankasa bre se na wo kan so my estimation say me expect sika say na afri mu diaba na no odi e11 ba o chess of price say ama no yete say ameduru babia na anka wo hwe anim no enti yesu say ese okode a certain target business so ne nyina die ne die akire enti wo kan ye ne pani di komo a ye be se nyina asa nya bia target say no de so mani so na yetimi adi akire
na busan say receipt na omtete no why na print receipt no aba na print ma wo mu na de how many books and they call various depending on its size and how do they do the accounting dating system
and you be a duplicate there the cry
duplicate bama one the be make sure say they are to go woni nyina nkra ne kosesa obi so adwuma no sa me wada edu anwumra road nso id no no nam no kwan so ti say mango park no asese receipts in the go bag na boys na ko no makogiska no masto no dey agura politin bag or them say receipt no 200 2000 15000 be ko ni butum. But the politin bag ne sima utwam wadwuma no so ko ready sure wo yi receipt na no dey mia wonsa.
No cry finance minister Kasoka said some of these road tolls no and I say road gates near no electronic na electronic ya omude rate abase ya approve na 10 pesos ya say 50 pesos enko 1 Ghana na ade na sa electronic near me ya hu South Africa omo ba yi company reference Centurion no and entire sa near my ye kan road a block no money ade yenye na enye the same at the kriya na yekoye doing the same thing over and over and we expect a different resource
nana the yen kriya ni say even in Europe toll gate agencies now any municipality any district any federal any regional levels no almost private company almost contract wo na government na the card in electronic near the atofo no ajibe 1 2 3 4 5 months 6 months 1 full year no anya the graphical control of the process no who all things being called average amount to strike ovia no the ama private company ovia electronic no a coordinating almost system so and a coordinating toll gate in the system so while the camera is doing the counting also the electronic money cashing is also doing the same thing so it must tally. As simple as that. In the private company in Nigeria, or 2 or 3 or 5% collection fee, bani the manu. And this can electricity is go for an atom. Electricity one like meter. Because your friends say, me reload. Some agency war, a son woman. And what dear would move. Mamma, yes, I wouldn't call for your receipt ready. Road minister, and call for your receipt ready away. Road minister, where the memoir where said receipt no more duplicate. Receipt no more conformity. That's a receipt. A receipt, oh, mom, Jaquan will be our idea. Nina say, Miniguso. Oh, my can't yet. Yeah, my and yes, yet him. Yamina Juma, bro.
And I pay that minia. Farouk our hub, and I pay a daddy como, and therefore Kwame sorry so and I pay Kwai Sibia Hotel. A Akropong-Akuapem, baabi a friend Barbados unim teacher o chain kane headmaster de mo kwapema ni finachi a one ne say bro this common war ene wo kɔ hɔ a ohunu abɛfo hotel ene aba okwapema mu a ɛbɛboa ama hosom atimi akɔ anim kɔhwɛ modern nemedia begu hɔ a ene wasɛm wa so bro ni ba wontade bomode afo ne kɔ ɛkɔhwɛ wani so ade breakfast yes serve lunch ye ma lunch papa na nnuane de local dishes no fufu banku ampesi ene na kade ahodo nyina tilapia okwaye nyina kama ope coleslaw salad and ope fried rice emu bia ope continental dishes nyina kwasi bia hotel adaroma ene yate de enye breakfast okwe English breakfast ne ope ye yama local de ma cho se enwuma ose enti me yaduane ene hotel wa ha ye nyanyuma enche na ode nyuma special request nyuma no na ye de beba eno ne ye bedini o se Akuapemfo ene adan ne de se ma cho se ene se presence of Akropong no beda o mane ha no yate se US Vice President Harris or backroom ha na obey obeba Akropong a baby obeda no premium suit work kwa Sibia hotel me mani ko twa se ko hunu na akohwe se ne yaye na DSTV full bouquet baby a wo pe na wo de wade ato ye wo personal butler obi o hye wonsa na wache ne wo pe no wa ho ahia ya ma ho kama air condition bibia ekoso kama wo mini bar ensa mu se ma be ene nuane no opa wo kitchenette baby abe hiti waduane kakra na o TV o fridge ene wo ho nkonwa egu ho no uduru a wo say yes na we portrait photos ni ade boa na bedroom o de cheze foni kohwe ni aguare ene nkane wo ho ene antique hotel ni de yehunu hotel ne Kwasi bia hotel ene ajetum ene ne junior suite and also ye mini bar ene DSTV deluxe plus and also your mini bar DSTV and a deluxe and also deluxe na your mini bar and DSTV and they oka will say live band remember that day ni ya 18th of March and you mre but what they have for the immigration band that odi agori na ene buffet ni sinchen onom kakra wadi kakra wakosa kakra obetnas kakra all work and no play make jacket door boy but what they are the for the Kwasi bia hotel wo Barbados teacher chain finachi I shall bo fe swimming pool restaurant and them no can say din and ojinaso din dia or ye conference room and other expansion works ye wo private bar o kompeso bi hunu wa kwakote ho one on monsa one bottle two bottle bi wada se ona wo se no enei opo privacy quality enwa ene Kwasi bia hotel Akropong-Akuapem Bombardia F 0303 1989 0303961989 and 0200083434 0200083434 nani empani eni kita ho lunch obebo de akodi bi dinner ni nyina opedan kama air condition room we lene ne dia sempa na wo yes wo hwe mpa no hwe afade a meni krotwa wisi makohunu bombardia ne ko *787 hash and a was saying cow say chop money no oguso nipa maku aduasa 30 and one say na no ada o ma 10 no eye de o ye 20 eye de enei wo ma 30 people nipa maku aduasa ne friend no chop money I don't know say na tie nen utwa oloto no anase utwa orafo no before 12 p.m. premtubre ebeto no na oso watwa enei eno de ma saa 12 no na saa ticket no owia ode tuma nwumre no nso asa de atwa ato nwumre de na ma otie yi a wo hit jackpot 700,000 Ghana cedis umpewe na apeden bomode na evo hu kohye bi *787 hash eno eni agya tumu bomode na ebomode for phone no say Android say yam eni star ni bi wo so hash ni bi wo so obobope na bie interface play now eni opa no waji full house and normal 10 coupons back 5 cedis na no wato eni one crystal chances was say ni wasakura epagem free say wonu say nipa no bebre na ena nketua kakra omnya 10 20 no ntine o ka say ni nyina no o consider no ni nyina agumbomade na ekoje wo de sense eni 10 Ghana 25 Ghana 200 and 1,000 for ni na mo hwemu ho ena otie yi unya 10,000 na ko hit jackpot 70,000 na ene why be ma no bomade efo phone no na di machi *787 hash press udem ene ema play now na ne una mu a okwe oje ufu house otoba akwa 5 cedis mienu 10 Ghana utim tododo bia ope na ma o chances no are very increased ene obia jetum asofo ene imam krachefo kramo obia jetum penfo ba ha momwame munyamame momwame ene ade ene de wo ma chop money when you be ofia obia ka che ne na no o de matofo mo e boy ya ne dem no de ajo manka no de atum onso bo de afa phone no na ekoye bi we mobile money agent na pese oboy na agent a bomodi afre the board number betugwa na wafre na eno so no watimi anya kwanya na wabeye agent e de amaye afi we momo owner of the phone ya na wabo code no na atwe afri mu wini ya so na de atoso na ye de amaw opemu enchechemu a WhatsApp 0272 636 448 and our person the customer service focus 0559 689 948 and also no pa and no star 77 hash customer service center no and the abom watch the way bomadia na any penny and kasa wabrabon say change your life story by taking your chances today and the ya wakwanya so timidano wabrabo na ne matimi ko kama media na me catch 700,000 and no jackpot now we near now the boy I have for agent phone or number near hina agent phone
045 44 000 12 045 000 12 12 ne twato na what me afresa and I say no 054 44 000 12 na say what me afre me number no na yetumi edi ehia na say di nyina tumi akonkan ediamo abrabo ne de ora Kofi Baffuor obi mbomo obi ena medical aka no enti se abrabo no etomma no bi se meboa star 787 hash na meboa wa nkasa watumi abo ho so isa se abibimamu ne wo no o ma me kura tumi hwe ka che se wo nye yeda enti obi ba no se star 787 hash twa na yenkwa no watwa bi nyina ekọ yanim isa se da bia me kama asem asori ayekọ yenkọ consider baako enka say ene de correction a holiday tight a holiday debi sika so ne de to tight no sika de offering no nti wo kọ no abo ho star 787 hash nti agent form de mon frame 054 44 000 12 na de nyina tuma konkan de mam eyura kwasi bia hotel no band no say the migrant one and my wish for me and a womb my sister baako and ne kunu and I'm wafa nuama on the band leader na band woman in bop papa you can say Akropong in band boy jai high life hip life gospel dey omuba ma wanka say wo zampa wani aji and it
menda enwumre wono do for na makwatna say na enematimi anko kama e dey amount
yeah yes also akonde na je say yenwura Newman fi hono maame baako anti ekuya ansa wase owura miki ne yere wase ne wawoda omawoda papa mawoda nyamenchira ana odoya kwamoso ofe maswel odoya enenso odoya na woda ye kwamoso entino age gracefully sene ya yewura okore wo kano no yewura se bia no bio na se wadaroma musu a enso yitimi ama musu bi unko yedie enso yitimi unko ne timusa
kana na paye na se na ye sorry so na me ka se bendu resort kwa me na no mo wana menya enkrase memomodian na memra kitase na kwa me mikohunu mani so ade esanse bendu na kwa me bendu no esewani esanse ene ukohwe abo a wodi ahye eye bendu ho no aye fish pond na catfish wo o point ne de awo no ye yi no ne atoto de amount na aduane no kwame mi di omo o se friend say bendu special bi kwame enam
o se ho wen
eno no kitase police station no echipe no obo live band fie de bia obo live band fie de bia ono so bo live band e de boa Amanfo kwese nkranfo etuka ba na asem se ahye ho barbecue ni aduane ni ensani na environment no kwame ko hunu wa o say yes ntine o say weekend mananya door obodi afo ni kire bendu village resort no ne aje to my live band fie de bia na obo awia ukọ lunch ubenya na ene je se no se owo farm wo nchen ho ope mankani ne ekotu aba ope body ne ekotwa de aba enti o se onne oni menu apart from normal menu no ba na bibia opebi anyoma ne opebi obegina ho na waye de ama me to na krofo ba ya ekotu abode na ye be ya mpisi kwame na me ne me masu ye man ye mui na ye man drink ni ade kwame na eye nika na dua na etofo ma na pai
yewura bandu Ghana mpanyimfo mi no za ade no za ade no ye bi yewura sie dun ketia ene yewura nanse ne okasa se galamsi no ye da pam no fi wo no yewura sie dun ketia de odu ne fi a emre kura na opa ba kutu amonho ade abro enwa kama ti bandu fo no de empanyim nyina
bandu village resort
wow
okọhwe se ne wa ye summer hat ne ade na enframa bia nam ho kwa me kọhwe adan no nesine wa ya ese wani enti bomodia na Kitas police station echi wa fide de ani wo bo live band anwumre no sia obo na no obo ya ma no bo be no na machi me da machi bomodia na enisa
menya lift bia
enkodi komo kwame aburi Kitas ho for 0548
mo
971
mo
637 and that's 0559 505058 and 0541 166862 then penny any enkomo na fida idea bomode for ni chira ho me da na ojina house chese ne live band kwame eno I say ono ne band friend Echoes band chese ne fida de for the best home city agori fa
ye fi a na aba
ne kwame ejirama ne ejisa
ye fi hono ne aba ye kwasi bia se bi bi ba fie ntam
enti bomodia na efo ni echire hobi anopa ye fasa kese e ma abrofo Belinda Opon pa kwesi AJ na ebi koma DJ Ziggy DJ Donzi list of kwame heda ko safmafo na Kevin na kwame aposa di midin e Kofi Ansong Baffuor anopa yi asedan ko ya
Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio. Station where the man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.